Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the AI face swap feature in PhotoDirector 365. In the new version of PhotoDirector 365, you'll see these options when you open the app. You can click on this AI face swap option or click on the Gen AI Studio option, which is what I'm going to do. And it'll open PhotoDirector in Gen AI Studio mode. Next, click on this face swap section under Fashion and Style, and it'll bring you to this page. Click on Start Now, and you'll see this pop up showing you the types of images that are recommended and the types of images you should try to avoid in order to get good results. Next, click on Continue, and it'll redirect you to File Explorer, and I'm using Windows 10 here. Navigate to your folder, choose your image, and then click Open. So here is the image that I'm going to use. In this left side panel, there are many different styles or templates that you can choose from. You can also import your own custom image. I'll be creating a separate tutorial to show you how to use this option. So this is the current style, and as you can see, it's right here. In this left side panel, there are many different male and female templates or styles to choose from. So I'm going to choose this one, and as you can see, it's right here. You need to check this box at the bottom to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on Swap Face. It'll then start generating the new image and swap my face with the template that I chose. Now, this could take a few seconds, but here is the image, as you can see, and it's done a pretty good job. You can then add the image to your PhotoDirector library or export it and then save it to your local drive. So let me go back and show you another example by using one of the female styles or templates. So I'll click this Replace Photo button and then choose from my local drive. I'll navigate to the folder and then choose this image and then click Open. And as you can see, this is the image we just imported. Next, from the left side panel, I'll scroll down to the bottom and I'll choose this template and then click Swap Face. It'll then start generating the image like I showed you earlier, and it could take a few seconds, and once it's complete, you will see it right here. And again, it's done a pretty good job. You can then add the image to your PhotoDirector library like I showed you earlier, or just export it and then save it to your local drive. But that's how you use the face swap feature in PhotoDirector 365. Here are some of the male face swap templates that I use with my picture. And here are some of the female face swap templates that I use with the female picture that I showed you earlier. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.